All right, Beershell, thanks. We also heard this week from Indiana Attorney General Curtis Hill addressing, among other topics, this ongoing impeachment inquiry in Washington.
Are you worried at all the president might be impeached?
I'm not very concerned about whether or not the president will be impeached. I think that clearly, since he was elected, there have been efforts to change the outcome of the election. We went through some 2 years or 2 years plus of an investigation, and impeachment was hanging in the balance. So that word is always out there waiting for something to jump in the way and suggest that now's the time. I think it's like anything. If there's allegations out there, they should play the course. They should be thorough about what they're doing. There seems to be a lot of putting the horse before the cart, if you will. And I have, based on what I've seen, it's still early in the process, and I would expect it all to move favorably towards the president.
All right, now we sat down with the Attorney General primarily to discuss the debate over marijuana prosecutions in Marion County after the interim prosecutor announced they would no longer go after possession cases involving small amounts of marijuana.
Well, certainly every prosecuting attorney and every county has the right to prioritize their interests and prioritize their resources, and that's from the north to the south and the east and west. Every prosecutor has that responsibility. The concern is when you hold out in a community that a particular statute is not going to be enforced for whatever reason, that invites those who choose to engage in that type of behavior, and that can be disruptive to a community. Look, it's not even about the debate about how you feel about that particular law. Some people support the law criminalizing possession of marijuana. Some people don't. Certainly, anyone, including a prosecuting attorney, can speak to their state representatives and state senators and encourage that the law be changed. There's nothing wrong with that if someone disagrees with the law. But making a blanket statement or declaration that an entire statute is not going to be enforced, that's a bit unusual.
All right, now we also asked Hill about his own political future. Wait till you see that. We'll have that coming up. Meantime, this debate over marijuana in Marion County playing a big role in the conversation as Democrats look to replace former prosecutor Terry Curry. Nick McGill has the latest.